Hey guys, I've been procrastinating on making this video only because it's loosely related to my gold prospecting in that it is a video about my dog, Snooker. Now, he's gone with me on I don't know how many adventures, but this video is dedicated to you, Chris, over at Bogus Prospecting, and rest in peace, Grizzly Dog. It's April 23rd, 2020. Snooker Dog and I are gonna try to go into the pet store so he can pick out a new toy. Whoops. Yep. Go to the store. Come on. Hello. Do you mind if I film my dog picking out a new toy? Sure. It's his birthday. He's 10 years old today, so.
We have little birthday cakes down at the bottom in front of the ribbon.
Oh, really?
There's a bunch of fun stuff.
Dude, check it out. You want a birthday cake? Look, have you seen these? What are those? Do you want to pick a toy? What do you want? What about a tire? You like the tire? Let's look. Let's look. Which one do you want? Hey, which one do you want? Get a ball? Get a ball? Get a ball? You want another big one? I knew you'd pick that big one. He does it every time. You lost it already? All right. Come on, let's go get another one. Get another one, Snook. Get another ball. Really? Yeah, all right, let's go. Oh, come on. Back to the big one. Always the big one. Okay. Which one? Which cake? Oh, that instead? You want one? Twizzies. A Snooker Twizzy. Get your ball. Get the ball. Let's go. Come on. Hey. I gotta pay for it.
So it's his 10th birthday?
Yeah, it's his 10th birthday.
He's cute.
He was born in North Dakota.
Oh, wow. Traveler then.
Yeah, we've been all over, me and this dog.
That's awesome.
So, what prompted this video for me, guys, was there was a commenter who commented on a video where Chris was a little emotional about the loss of his dog. And that comment was, "It's just a dog. Why are you getting so worked up?" Something along those lines. And you don't expect to outlive your dog, do you? Well, I don't expect to outlive my grandparents, and I didn't outlive them, and it didn't make it suck any less because I knew they were gonna not live longer than me. So that's just insensitive in and of itself. But I am a dog person. I love dogs, and one day I had wished to scratch behind Grizzly's ear just the one time and ask him who's a good boy, but I didn't get that opportunity. So that now I've decided I'm going to make this video about my Snooker dog, who has joined me for 10 years worth of adventures, and we're in April will be his 11th birthday, and from the time I threw that dog that first ball, he just never stopped fetching the ball. He just loved the ball. So that's what you guys see.
Whoa, Tumbleton. Get that ball. Get that ball. Go get it. Oh, you gotta bring me the ball to get a cookie. You gotta bring me the ball to get a cookie. You're sitting so nice. See the ball? See the ball? Ready? Go get that ball. You forgot the ball again. You went and chased it. Good boy. Good boy. Nope. No cookie till you get the ball. Ready? Ready? Go get the ball. Now bring me the ball. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Ready? Ready? Go get the ball. Bring me the ball. Good boy. Good boy. So smart. Let's do it one more time. Okay? Ready? Ready? Go get the ball. Bring me the ball. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Put it in my hand. That was kind of rough. Let him lay down.
Like, he's more than a dog. He's part of the family. My dog is more than just a dog. He's more than just a pet. He's part of the family. And when that day comes, because I know I won't beat him, I hope I won't beat him, y'all can expect me to be sad. It's gonna happen. It's a thing. And I don't think you should disrespect someone who's sharing a genuine emotion. I don't know. All I gotta say is that, Chris, whether you're watching this or you're not, know that you've touched lives, and your dog, I always wanted to give him a scratch. I really did. And I expected to one day. So it's unfortunate, the tale. Go over to Bogus Prospecting, subscribe to his channel, and then you can watch the whole adventure of Chris looking for gold, just like me and Snook do. And you can watch the whole adventure of Grizzly Dog. Grizzly was his pup, and there's a whole story there. You need to go over there, follow that, and check it out. I don't know, guys. If you've liked this video, enjoyed watching it, kind of a different one, just my ride home from work, and I just really wanted to get this out there, get it kind of off my chest and get the video out of the way. Just do the video because I don't know, I just feel like I need to. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this, well, there's not a whole lot of content like this, but subscribe anyway and you can see my other content, and maybe more of this content will pop up in the future for you, exclusively just for you. Anyway, turn it on in my street, so I will see you guys in another video. Oh, can't read it. There it is.